Canavans, right? देखते MRS plus white brain. Oh, Canavans. Okay, so you can see that there is diffuse hyperintensity. So you have to tell me which white matter is involved here. So can I say there is periventricular plus subcortical? So diffuse white matter. That is very, very important. So diffuse white matter, anterior plus posterior, and it is periventricular plus subcortical. So whenever your subcortical U fibers are involved, that is something which is very typical, diffuse involvement in Canavan's disease. Plus, what are we seeing? Canavans. NA peak, the only disease where we see NA peak, right? So that is what is your clincher. Why? What is the underlying biochemical defect? So that is because the enzyme N-aspartoacyclase, that is not there. So there is nobody to break down NA. So this is the only disease where NA, which is a marker of neuronal integrity, is increased. In all other diseases, it will be decreased. Which white matter are most commonly involved? As we said, it typically involves subcortical U fibers. The other DDs here, would be Alexander. Plus, apart from that, do you remember this causes macrocephaly, right? So there is macrocephaly जो Alexander में भी मिलता है, पर Alexander में आपको periventricular fibers मिलेंगे with more anterior predisposition. Second differential is adrenoleukodystrophy. Adrenoleukodystrophy will tend to involve U fibers, but it will have more posterior predisposition. What else? Both metachromatic leukodystrophy and Pezelius-Merzbacher, both of them, Merzbacher, can show you a tigroid sort of an appearance with perivenular sparing, and both of them are only periventricular white matter. They don't involve the subcortical white matter. What else? वॉन्डरनैप कैन बी अ डीडी, वो भी लिख लो. तो ये वाला चैप्टर तो हमें बहुत अच्छे से आता है, राइट? ल्यूकोडिस्ट्रोफीज. प्लीज रिवाइज. सो टुडे आई हैव टच्ड upon your volatile stuff of skeletal dysplasia, leukodystrophy, congenital neuronal abnormalities, all of these very important for the exam. Wandernap में आपको megalencephaly मिलेगी, diffuse white matter involvement just like Canavans, but the difference here would be the subcortical cyst, right? So you will see subcortical cyst on the anterior temporal lobe. Fine. So that's how, yeah, vanishing white matter as well.